Alright, you see there is raining over the top of the roof. Like you see the tin shades houses and the raindrops on it, and it's really refreshing to see such kind of rain. And here you see the sky, very excellent to see. There are clouds of bright color and black colors. Everything looks very fresh. I think it's very refreshing for all of us, and I really love it. I really love the rain very much. Hopefully all of you love rain, and rain is actually a big gift from Almighty Allah, I believe. And whenever rain started, I always try to look at the rain, look at the sky and the environment, how the rain comes from the sky and drop on earth. Excellent, very excellent to see. So that's why I really wanted to show the rains here. So nothing else. Hope you are enjoying the video. And my camera maybe is not good enough. If it's good enough, then I can show you better views from my window. That's it. Probably even after you were watching this, you see here from the point of view. Okay, take care.